Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find the cinema items that you got from the Dreamlight Cinematics rewards here. So for instance, you're curious where for instance the cinema spotlight is. So all of those are recipes, as you can see from the image. They have the scroll kind of actually I don't think that matters, but they are recipes and you do need to craft them. So to craft them, you're just going to go to your crafting table here, and if you scroll down, you'll see all of these all the cinema items. There's the poster stand, the ad standee, cinema projector, mount speaker, director chair, roll table, spotlight, popcorn serving cart, and the small cinema screen, just in case you guys were wondering where those items were. But that is pretty much where they are. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.